Hey folks, today we're going to show you an interesting condition called cellulitis. Take a look. Cellulitis is an infection of the deeper layers of the skin, most commonly caused by bacteria that normally live on the skin's surface. You have an increased risk of developing cellulitis if you have an injury such as a cut, fracture, burn, or scrape, have a skin condition such as eczema, participate in contact sports like wrestling, have diabetes or a weakened immune system, have chronic swelling of your arms or legs.
This bacteria used to be much more common in young children in the age 6 to 7. However, such infection is now rare because of the HIV Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine.
Signs and symptoms of cellulitis include redness, swelling and tenderness, warmth of the affected area, fevers and chills, and swollen glands or lymph nodes. If left untreated, cellulitis can rapidly turn into a life-threatening condition. Treatments usually include antibiotics. In severe cases, you may need to be hospitalized and receive antibiotics through your veins. Quick trivia question. Can you identify this medical condition? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos all the time.
Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
Okay.
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
You do have more energy.
And, yes, a lot more energy.
And you're taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
energy.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.